Farm Dreams is a free online workshop, and it's a program for anyone who has dreamed of starting a farm. Anyone can participate in Farm Dreams. It's really geared toward people who are interested in starting a farm, whether you have experience in farming or not, and anyone who is farming in North Dakota but you'd like to expand your network or to meet new farmers. I encourage you to attend as well. Farm Dreams is really designed for you to think about your farm dream, to kind of write that down and then bring that to the workshop and talk to other experienced North Dakota farmers who are living their farm dream. So it's just a great way for you to learn more about what the next steps might look like and really just get some clarity around if that is what you would like to move toward in the future. So you can find the short registration form on our website, which is farms.org/dream, FARRMS.org/dream.